Hello, traders, and welcome to this weekly market overview. I will begin with this index, the GIA chart, where you will see the complexity of the market. Today, this is a third touch uh, in a span of, let me see, 24 years. This was the first one and the starting point, then the second one where it got rejected, and this is the third one uh, we are reaching now in the March 2024. Okay, so let us see what the market says at this point. First of all, I will begin with the SPX. SPX is also reaching the high of the channel. To be uh, more precise, this SPX channel is the same as GIA as the index. This is the futures. This is the SPX futures. Um, Now the most important and the critical level for the upside extension and the continuation is to 5,300, 5,340, and a rejection here will need to bring us a break below 5,150 for the downside reversal. More or less the same situation is with the Nasdaq, also reaching the top of the channel. This is a pitchfork channel drawn in the Nasdaq, for the Nasdaq. Here we go. So the top is of this channel has been reached, and the critical level for the upside continuation here is 18,800. I'm not saying that the indices are or broke above the and extended higher. I'm just saying that they are reaching the critical resistances for the new long-term cycle uptrend to beginning to be extended. But you have to be aware of the market and the price action. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 um, months of the uptrend before pullback. This is a monthly chart before 3 months pullback. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the uptrend again. But as said, this is a critical level that we are facing now for the downside rejection and the pullback or an extension higher. And that will determine the entries. Will you go long or short? Maybe even for the next decade, It's important, quite important. I will also invite you to visit edgeoftrading.online. You will have description of the discounted prices in the video, in the description of this video, for services, for mentoring, for private trading community, and combined packages. So you can choose whatever you find the most interesting for you. I will go to gold. Gold made a false break above 2150, then came back. I will switch to daily charts now, the 3 days chart. And as you can see, it is now retesting this wedge resistance 2150 and the break below will lead to a deeper pullback into 2070 and possibly even lower. For the extension higher, we need to see a sustained bounce above this level. For the oil, the situation is the same as for the gold. It has reached this long-term triangle line. This is level, I will tell you, 83.8, and above this level we will see an upside continuation. But in the case of a rejection, we'll see a pullback into swing range, which I expect much more than anything else. Let me switch to Bitcoin. Pullback is on the way. Many of you expected, again, immediate extension higher, but this pullback, as the price action tells now, should go to 50,000, to this 45, 50,000 zone of the support for Bitcoin. That should be the target of your long entries. Here in between, there's nothing to do. It is just for swing trading. Okay. Let me show you one more thing. The DAX, the German market, extended fiercely to the upside, uh, and even much more than European indices. Okay, but I will show you now. Again, is reaching the channel point. If we connect the downside, the uptrend support of the channel and the downside resistance, the three touches. So basically, the DAX is also at 18,600, by my opinion, at the top of this medium term cycle. Okay, medium term and long cycle. And I will watch the price action for the short trades actually, as it seems that this uptrend is getting to an end. It will be hard, you know. We need to be patient because there will be a lot of volatility as we head onwards. But in terms of risk reward, it will be much better than going long the indices. Okay, let me go and switch to currency pairs. Despite the strong move to the downside, pound USD did not broke below a strong resistance of 1.25, which will trigger the short trade entries for me and possibly for the rest of you. Also, Euro USD is at the critical resistance again, like the pound. Yes, it did go to the downside with this, heavy swing range, but did not broke below 1.075. If it breaks below 1.075, then we could see an extension lower, and you can see how strange are these monthly candles. I will switch to daily, where you will see better, still without a significant breakout below 1.075, but I'm not saying it could not be. I'm just saying it is still without a significant breakout below, but I'm not saying it is not possible to be. Okay, so this is it for this weekly market overview brief, just to give you the most important assets and how they are positioned. Of course, go to edgeoftrading.online and register for private trading community. You will have day-to-day and much more insights and trade setups and deeper insights of mm, uh, all the levels and everything else, uh, much more than in this weekly market overview, which is brief, but it will give you a sense of where the market is. Thank you for watching this and have a nice day. Goodbye.